It's a really awesome property. Let's check it out. All right, as we enter in, we have a really beautiful grand entrance. You'll notice the beautiful light coming up from the second floor. It's just a super welcoming property. I want to highlight a few things the sellers have done. They've updated brand new LVP flooring throughout the whole main floor, all new fresh paint, and just really nice, tasteful updates. What I really love about this house, especially with after COVID happened and so many people working remotely, you have your own private office. It's just a really amazing thing. If you like to work from home, you have a nice private office there. As you progress here in this property, you have a really nice living room that overlooks the formal dining. What's really cool about this property is that you back up to some timber. It's even though you're in the center part of central Iowa, when you look outside, you have a lot of timber. It's very private feeling, so big plus to that. I love the trade ceiling as well. Gives a little elegant feel to it. With being a two-story, it's hard to get an open concept, but check this out here. You have this really amazing hosting area. This property has updated quartz here, stainless steel appliances that stay, and so it's really amazing. One really amazing thing that they've done is they've updated the light fixtures as well throughout the house. And so very modern, but updated, but it still has a classic feel to it. I really love that open concept. As you progress here to the family room, you'll find this updated stone fireplace feature here. The updated mantle really gives a modern feel to it. Goes all the way to the ceiling. Amazing feature that the owners have done. An additional thing this house has is this beautiful window. You get to really enjoy the backyard. Like I said earlier, it's like you are in the middle part of central Iowa where it's really busy, but you get an amazing view. It's very tranquil. You get to enjoy the backyard. It really gives a very private setting for this home. Off of this dining area, you walk out to a good-sized deck. So with this deck, it's great for grilling, hanging out, great for entertaining, and it's just a really nice place to chill. I don't like decks where all you can do is grill. That's the only space you have. Well, with this one, you get to grill and have a dining table out. That's what you choose as it gets nicer throughout the season. Really nice feature about this property, additionally, is a 3-stall attached garage. So right here is the garage here. We won't go into it right now. But you have a nice coat closet storage system here. And then over here, you can use this as a little pantry space, overflow for the kitchen, or you can use it for just a utility closet. Let's progress now to the second floor. Oh, one last feature I wanted to highlight is the half bath here. Great for guests, obviously. So, all right, let's check out the second floor. An additional feature I want to show is this amazing light fixture here over at the foyer there. So it's a really cool modern light fixture that was added. So as you progress upstairs, you have your oversized master suite. So it's wonderful size. This is a king bed, so plenty of space. And you have this space too. You have a makeup set here, makeup desk and get ready desk that we call it at our house. I'm obsessed with this backyard. It's nearly a half acre, so just really nice private, and it's really neat. So we'll progress now into the master. Master has 2 sinks. It's got a shower and a jacuzzi tub, so it's a great feature to have. One thing that the owners have done, they've made a custom closet system, so it's really awesome to have. And it's a great custom, but it makes it very efficient. And the closet system they put in, you can adjust and even make it more custom as needed. But it's a great feature to have with this master suite. We'll progress now to the guest bedrooms. There's 3 more to round out the main floor. So as you enter into this guest bedroom, you have an oversized 2 closets. It's a great space for kids. or a guest bedroom or for an office like they're using it now. On the opposite side, you have an additional bedroom here. Good space overall, and then you got a good closet space. Linen closet here. And then we'll just come all the way down here. We have a really good size bedroom here. It's nice that it's private. This is oversized queen bed here. And then you got a good sized closet in here. To round out the second floor, you have full bath. And then you have your laundry on the second floor. Now let's go check out the basement. In the basement, we have a good sized living room. We have the fourth bathroom. As you land here, it's a full bathroom here, which is great. You have your storage room right here. You have an additional, well, I like this. I have young children and they've used this as a playroom. So it's great understair finish. We'll progress down to here. So as we go down here, you don't feel like you're in a basement. And the reason why is because it's a walkout and we got daylight windows throughout. What's really neat about this basement is it has a the walkout has a patio, so that's additional outdoor space to hang out. And then this really cozy, it's not cozy, I mean, it's a good size, but it's just really nice. I love these built-ins from a basement entertainment standpoint. So it's a really nice space to hang out, watch movies, or watch sporting events. As you progress down to here, you have nice daylight windows. Then here's the fifth bedroom. This bedroom's huge, and so if you have a teenager or you need, or you have a guest, and I know there's some multi-generational families too, so it's plenty of space to have someone live with you and stay. So you have some storage right in here. So it's kind of a dual purpose area. So you have your sump pump, then you have storage right here, and then you have your closet right here. So it's great space overall. One last highlight here. I believe the original builder, they made a drain here, and this is the unfinished area. So I do believe if you wanted to make a little wet bar, you'd be able to do that. If you don't need to do that, this is definitely enough space to make a little office area as well. Thank you for walking this property with me. This property, again, it features nearly a half-acre, 3-stall attached garage, 5 beds, 4 bathrooms, many updates throughout. It has some timber in the backyard. It's near the famous Greenbelt bike trail, and it's near parks, schools. You can't get a better location than this. If you have any questions, please reach out. Have a great day.